Taylor's at work today, and on a whim, I decided to create a little vlog and show you what my day is typically like when Taylor's at the hospital working. And this is seriously just out of nowhere, really random, because I'm using a pot to prop the camera up. So I just grabbed it, and yeah, it's currently 9 o'clock. Let's get the day started. If you don't know this already, Taylor is a nurse, and she works per diem, which means she basically has to work 3 shifts every 6 weeks, but when we're home, she picks up more because obviously she makes money, and we need money to survive. So when I'm home and she's at work, I try to be as productive as possible. Which entails me editing the latest vlog. For this upcoming Tuesday, we don't have a vlog filmed yet, so that means I have nothing to edit, and I need to figure out how to be productive. Basically have 2 options today. Work on the van, which I can't really do because I don't have much to work on at the moment. We're still waiting for a lot of stuff. Or work on the bathroom. And if you've been watching our channel, then you know our bathroom is currently getting remodeled, and it's been kind of a slow process because we're bouncing back and forth between van build and bathroom renovation. So today I think I'll do some of the bathroom. We're expecting to get our vanity from Lowe's, so that could go in today, and I could finish some of the Shiplap. Our vanity arrived, and it's literally the one that we returned to Lowe's 3 days ago. We returned it because the one that we got in delivery was damaged with the door. They literally shipped the same one that we returned. How bad is that? Are you guys Lowe's or Home Depot fans? I am a Home Depot fan over Lowe's every time I can. Unfortunately, this vanity size is only available exclusively at Lowe's, so we have to deal with that. But I go Home Depot over Lowe's every time. It's like really hot for November right now. So I'm seeing if there's some waves. It looks like there might be. I wonder if I should sneak out and go surfing for a little bit. Doesn't look great. My head is spinning with every thought I could fit in. It's like I'm stuck on a merry-go-round. It's the last piece. Well, the last piece of the Shiplap. Then I have to trim, and there's more trim around the toilets around, or the tubs around. And there's trim around the walls, the vanity. We still got a long way, but Shiplap will be done once this goes in. Forgot to cut this little notch out, and that is why projects always take longer than you think. Probably like double the time, maybe triple. Maybe triple with an old house like this. By the way, am I the only one who hates plaster, or is that a common thing? Because it might be my least favorite thing on the planet. That's beautiful. In there, like swimwear, we'll sink 2 screws in. And we're wrapping this up. Obviously it needs trim, it needs pocket holes filled, but it might be it for the day. Oh, it feels good. And trim the corners. It's gonna come together. It's gonna come together finally. I don't know what to do right now, but I'll figure it out. I don't know what to do right now, but I'll figure it out. I get so worked out, I gotta talk myself down. I don't know what to do right now, but I'll figure it out. Figure it out. One of the things that we haven't been doing, which we need to start doing, is taking time for ourselves. And when the work is done, maybe go for a bike ride or go to the beach or something, and not push it until the sun goes down and then it's dinner time and all that jazz. So I'm going to take this to the beach, check the waves. It sounds like the waves are rolling a little bit, but you know, just go enjoy while we live down at the beach. Gotta do it. I can't believe it is November 5th, 4th, and I'm in shorts and a t-shirt right now. It is crazy weather. My head is spinning with every thought I could fit in. It's like I'm stuck on a merry-go-round. I don't know what to do right now, but I'll figure it out. I don't know what to do right now, but I'll figure it out. I get so worked out, I gotta talk myself down. I don't know what to do right now, but I'll figure it out. Figure it out. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I wish Taylor was with me. I feel somewhat guilty going to the beach without her, I'm being honest. But I mean, you gotta do it. I know she knows that, and I'm just really grateful for her. I don't know how she does it, being a nurse. To all the nurses out there, I don't know how you guys do it. I can never. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog with Kevin, stay-at-home husband while Taylor works. Just wanted to let you guys know that I'm not just sitting around playing video games or something. Still trying to be productive, even if I don't have a video to edit. It's time to eat. And see you Tuesday.